Well guys, because of the cold, I'm going to be trying this thing, which is called Easy Strip. What do you think, Rocko? This one's got no fumes, and apparently it's pretty harmless for pets and so on, which is a really good thing. So I'm going to give this a bit of a crack. It says I should use it in a test area and see what happens, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Alright, for testing purposes, here we go. Now I'm going to leave this here for about 10 minutes, and then I'll see what comes of it.
10 minutes later.
Alright, here we are, 10 minutes later. Let's see if anything's coming up. Very little. But it says also for this kind of thing that it might have to go in for 4 to 12 hours. Okay, so the experiment is now on. I'm going to be trying to leave this there for 4 hours and see what happens. Later.
4 long hours later.
By Jove, I think it actually works. I'm going to have to do it a bit at a time, but it seems to work properly. It is removing the finish. Very cool.
Many days of stripping later. While I wait my number 9 Shinto rasp, it's time for a quick look at my failed experiment at facing 2 mirrors and seeing if I could reach infinity.
Well, hey everybody, Cal B back here with a little something to help me with my lap steel build. This was ordered Thursday, the 27th, and it is Friday morning, the 29th, and this is another understuffed box from Amazon. However, what I'm getting this time is pretty solid. This is my Shinto double-sided coarse and fine saw rasp, otherwise known as an Iwasaki. However, this was only $30 Canadian from Amazon, so I'm not expecting this to be of the quality that some of the luthiers have bought, and I'm sure theirs are well into the triple figures as far as that goes, but seeing as I'm only going to use this a few times, and I will be learning on the job, as they say, here we go. This is what it does.
what it looks like. Get this box out of the way. Nice rough side. Nice fine side. There's blades everywhere, so I'm gonna have to get out my working gloves and use this on that table leaf that we saw. Now, it comes with this. I don't know why, but anyway, a little piece of paper. And it's got a little description here that it came with. Okay. Let's see, saw rasp SR20, good for wood, plywood, iron, aluminum. Powerful for finishing sureface and shaving of plastic materials, plaster, boards, leather, etc. Professional in factory and DIY at home by a standing tool. Now, you figure they could Google English and get the spelling right and save themselves a little bit of money on printing, but you know, it is what it is. It's $30. It's a made in Japan Shinto. So I'm gonna see how it goes with this. You're gonna have to wish me luck, but you're gonna see me using this for the first time in the next video you see. Alright everyone, it's unusually warm out and rainy today, and if you can see closely, I've put a couple of black lines, one along this side and one along the other. They both are 1.25 inches inside, which is the depth of these dowels. So that'll bring me down to just about 10 inches or less, so I should be fine. So here goes. Here's a quick look at one of those little doweled holes, just to give you an idea of how far I have to go in. But this is after only a few minutes. The coarse side of this rasp really works well. It really takes off a lot. I don't really have a way of showing you, unfortunately. Well folks, I made some sawdust today, but I ended up using a little jigsaw, handheld jigsaw that I have to get things going. The rasp is well and good, but I don't want it to take days to just take off two sides. So far this is about 5 minutes of work with the jigsaw. Now this video is running a little long, so I think we're going to end it with Rocko sleeping on his bed table as usual in the afternoon. Be happy everyone. We'll see you soon with another video, another update on this build.